Nearly 1 million refugees have fled Sudan's war since 2023, pouring west into neighbouring Chad. They are escaping what the United States has called a genocide in Darfur. Munira Gamra, a Chadian business owner in Adre, near the Sudanese border, runs a small factory producing peanut oil and ice.
The Sudanese people are suffering. They struggle when they arrive here, but there's no work for them. We try to help by hiring them, but we can only afford to pay enough for food.
Unlike most refugee-hosting nations, Chad allows refugees to work, thanks to a progressive asylum law implemented just days after the war began. Iyajin Buyan is with the UN's refugee agency, UNHCR. She says Chad's approach could shift global perceptions of refugees.
It could be seen as a burden, and then we just really want to change the narrative.
Asked how unusual Chad's approach is, Buyan replied,
Extremely rare opportunity, and then that's something that UNHCR advocate the government to integrate refugee within their society, for example, education, health system, and then job opportunity.
World Bank research shows the economic impact of the law, which is designed to encourage refugees to play an active role in the economy, is limited by the fact many of the refugee settlements are in remote parts of the country. There are few resources there to support employment. It says the refugees are putting a strain on what is already one of the poorest countries in the world, although Chad's GDP has remained steady since the law was implemented. Among those being helped by Chad's law is Salma Mohammed, who fled ethnic violence in Sudan.
I was just trying to find a safe place for my children. Then suddenly we were ambushed. Armed men on motorbikes surrounded us. Our car was trapped in the middle and we were terrified.
Now in Chad, she earns a living making decorative pieces for the home. Still, Gamra acknowledges that tensions between local residents and refugees persist.
Some Sudanese go to the market, take people's belongings, and create problems.
Kenya introduced a similar refugee work law in 2021. Research suggests it's had a positive economic impact on that country. Henry Wilkins, VOA News, Adre, Chad.